Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you learn how to create pivot tables in Power BI. A pivot table is a powerful way to analyze, summarize, and visualize your data. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from setting up a data model to customizing your matrix for dynamic insights. Let's get it started. This is the data that you are going to work with. You can check it in the link in the description below. So let's go to the visualization pane and pick our matrix. In Power BI, tables are not pivot tables, it's the matrix. So let's resize it. Then let's pick the product and drop it in the rows. Okay. Let's pick country, then drop it in the column section. Then let's pick revenue and drop it in the values. So it's coming out nicely. Let's pick the quarter and drop it in the rows. So we have it all here. So for us to extend that down, let's click this button. Okay, so we have the quarters and the product. Let's scroll it down. Okay, let's go to layout. Let's look at the different styles that we have. Let's resize it a bit. Okay, let's check. Minimal. Let's go bold header. Then you have alternative rows. Then you have contrast alternative rows. Then we have flashy rows. We have bold flashy rows. We have sparse. Now the last one is condensed. But let's go with the default. Okay, that's how it looks like. So let's go to the layout. So the one you're working with is a compact. Let's go to outline. You see outline has separated the quarters from the product in different column. Another one is the tabular. You see it's nice. So I think you're going to work with the tabular. So for us to remove this plus, let's go to the row headers. Let's scroll down, then uncheck that one. So we've already removed the plus sign. The next thing we are going to add is to add the blank rows after the totals. Go to rows and check it. Okay, that's how it looks like. Okay, let's format our headers. Go to column headers. Then let's first of all change the background color. Let's change it to blue. Let's work with blue. Okay, now the font color we can go with the, let's make it bold first. Now let's go with the white. Okay, I think that's okay. Then let's add the rows. Let's add the rows to every product. So this is what you are going to do. Go and check that one. So it's okay. The next thing you're going to do is to remove the totals. You can remove either the column totals or row totals. So let's remove that one, the column totals. If you want to remove the row, you just uncheck that one, but let's leave it. Okay, let's scroll it. Okay. The next thing we are going to do is to on the revenue. You can do conditional formatting. Let's go with the data bars. So let's say the positive bars to be red and the negative bar to be blue. Let's go with that blue, then press OK. Nice. Okay. Let's right click again for conditional formatting again. Then go to the data bars. We can remove the values and go with bars only. So check that one, then press OK. That's how it's looking, but it's not that okay. Let's return it. Undo. The next thing we're going to do is, if you want to find the average, just right click and click the average. Okay, that's how it's looking. That's the average for every quarter and also every product. So let's go with another one. Let's do the minimum. Those are the minimum values in every quarter and in every country. So if you want to find the maximum, it's just the same step. So let's do the maximum. So those are the maximum values in every quarter and in every product and in every country. That's how it's looking. You can also count. Right click, then we're going to go with count distinct. Those are the units we sold in each and every country per product. Okay, but let's go with some. Let's do another conditional formatting. Then go to conditional formatting, go with the icons. Then it will open this page. Then let's pick revenue, sum of revenue. So you can click the drop down to find the icon styles that you can explore. But let's go with these ones. So if this is less than 33, grade. More than 33 but less than 67 is that star, and then press OK. This is how it looks. Okay, let's resize. So this is our pivot table. Let's resize it a bit. Let's resize. Let's resize so that it fits the page. Resize. Okay, it's coming out nicely. This is a very stunning pivot table that we've just created using Power BI. Just note that the tables in Power BI are not pivot tables. Let's go to report view. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is the report view. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is it. You can try it out. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow. Goodbye.